COVID numbers rising in the state of Meghalaya capital Shillong. A number of restrictions continue to remain in place, along with closure of shops selling non-essential items. So is there public support for the partial lockdown? Are stricter measures required? We have this report.
Along with the rest of the region, Meghalaya too has stepped up measures to deal with the second wave of COVID-19. With number of restrictions in place, the state government is mulling more containment strategies as night curfew continues to be in place and a partial lockdown imposed. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has admitted that the situation is serious.
The situation is serious and therefore different kind of containment strategies have been adopted. We are looking at a situation where we want to avoid lockdown, but at the same time, to contain the situation, we need to put more and more restrictions at least in the Shillong city area.
Sangma revealed that close to 65% of returnees to the state are testing positive, which is alarming.
We are seeing close to 65% of returnees testing positive. That's a very large and alarming number. Therefore, in order to ensure that we are able to contain the spread of the virus through these returnees, apart from making the RT-PCR test mandatory for them, we are also giving very strong advisory to them to isolate themselves for 7 days, which means irrespective of whether they test positive or negative in the RT-PCR, we are seeing that these returnees have a potential to spread the virus, and by ensuring that we contain and we isolate them irrespective of being positive or negative, there's a higher chance that we'll be able to contain the situation.
While the state government is focusing on vaccination as a means to contain the spread of the virus, it has also taken steps to avoid overcrowding in public places. Closing of shops, selling non-essential items, and total closures on Sundays are among the moves. Northeast Live took a quick review of markets in Khindailad and Yodo to know how shopkeepers viewed the move.
हम लोग तो इसेंशियल से सिर्फ आपको चॉकलेट वगैरह आइटम में है, बिस्किट आइटम है, बस। इफेक्ट तो होगा, लेकिन सर जान से बड़ा चीज तो कुछ नहीं है। अगर बाई चांस अगर हमको होता है तो हमारे फैमिली को होगा। लास्ट में हमारा मान के चलिए पूरा कंपाउंड में रहते हैं उसमें होगा, तो इससे अच्छा है कि बंद होना ही सही आपका है। तो बाजार में आदमी भी नहीं और सेल भी उस हिसाब से नहीं है। जो आदमी टाइम पास के लिए बैठा रहता है कि दुकान है तो बैठना तो पड़ेगा सर। और सबसे ज्यादा इफेक्ट हम लोग के ऊपर पड़ता है कि ये आपको रेंट पे है, तो रेंट देने में थोड़ा सा हम लोग को परेशानी होता है।
सही सोच है, इसलिए कि इस तरह की बीमारी अभी चली है, अगर इस तरह का कदम नहीं उठाया जाए तो कितनी लाशें गिरेंगी, हैं? इसलिए इनकी सरकार का जो ये कदम है बहुत अच्छा है। और टीकाकरण तो होना ही चाहिए, इसलिए कि टीकाकरण नहीं होगा तो महामारी होगी, कितनी लाशें बिक जाएंगी। गवर्नमेंट की सोच इससे अच्छी है। बिजनेस तो कम हुआ है इसलिए कि लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, सिर्फ एसेंशियल सामान ही खुला हुआ है और सारी दुकानें बंद हैं। लेकिन अब इस महामारी को देखते हुए तो सरकार का जो कदम है, एसेंशियल आइटम खोले हुआ है और सब आइटम को बंद कर दिया हुआ है। जब तक ये बीमारी जब तक थमता नहीं है, इस तरह का कदम ठीक है सरकार का।
Meanwhile, senior Congress leader and West Shillong legislator Mohindra Rapsang said that the decision of the government to impose the partial lockdown was good. However, he was opposed to a complete lockdown as the citizens, mainly the villagers, are dependent on the markets.
My stand on the first day when the Chief Minister called a meeting on that day, I said, please don't close the market, but control. Odd events should be there, control the crowd, to influx of the crowd which comes from the villagers, but control should be there, but don't close. If the moment you close the market, livelihood of thousands and thousands of people will affect. People will try to understand, yes, we have to control our gathering in a big crowd. So if this, like in those people who sit in the street, like those hawkers, see, you don't have to give 100%, you give 50%. Today 50%, those who get to shop, open the shop today, they open, next day they close, another will come. So rotation should be there. In 6 days in a week, rotation will be there. That means, so this partial lockdown is very, very important. Even in Yeodu also, I think they should do that. Because in Yeodu there are a lot of vendors, these hawkers. They should do that also, rotation-wise.
Rapsang also advocated that people should take the vaccine and inoculation is the only way ahead.
Vaccination, mass vaccination should be there to control, to help, to boost immunity, antibody will boost up. That is very important. We should encourage to do that.
It may be mentioned that the government had announced fresh restrictions in view of the rising cases in Shillong conglomerate along with the partial lockdown in the Shillong conglomeration from 26th April to May 2nd. With inputs from video journalist Francis Marbanyang and correspondent Roger Sangma from Shillong, News Desk Report, Northeast Live.